In this video, I'm going to talk about blog commenting for traffic. So when doing blog commenting, you're going to have to go up there and search for relevant blogs on your niche, related to your niche. And you're going to leave a comment on those blogs. And in exchange for doing this, you might be getting a backlink back to your Weebly or back to your free site. And also you might be getting exposure and therefore traffic back to your site. So this method only works really successfully if you're doing two things. One is if you're doing your blogging manually. And second, when writing your comments, if you add value to the community. So obviously, if you add blog comments to blogs related to your niche, you're going to get the benefits of using this method. So let's say for if you're promoting an Amazon product, in our case, like if you're promoting a laptop or a tablet, or if you're promoting a notebook, you're going to have to look for blogs that talk about laptops and computers. If you're in a golf niche, you're going to have to look for blogs related to golf, golf swing, golf clubs, golf tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the blog commenting for our ClickBank product. So we're going to look for blogs that are related to dog training niche. What you're going to do first is you're going to go to Google and search for this phrase, blog search. Click here, Google blog search. And once we are in Google blogs, we're going to run a search for our niche. So it could be dog obedience, dog barking, dog training, dog obedience training. So you can use any of these, or if you don't find relevant blogs when using more targeted keywords, just go for a search related to your basic main keyword. So let's say here, instead of doing a search for dog obedience training, I might just want to go for a search for dog, right? So for this example, I'm going to run a search for dog training. Okay, and look for what type of blogs I find. We're gonna go for the second one. A trained dog is a better dog. And this is a very pretty site, and we're gonna look for a way to place a comment here. So we see recent posts, but also recent comments as well. So I'm gonna go here. Where are the recent comments? And this is an announcement, right, for obedience classes. It is an older one, however, it got some responses here, and also there is a form here where I can actually place my comment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly leave a reply on this, and I'm going to write my name. You want to go with your real name here. You don't want to use keywords here. What you want to do when doing blog commenting is you want to leave quality and real comments, right? So they will get approved. Most of these comments might have to be approved before actually being shown on a site. So this is why you don't want to write a keyword here. You want to write a real name, right? You want to be a person. Email is going to be Profit Expand. I'm going to leave my email. And website address, what I'm going to do here, I'll go back to my website, to the free page. Okay. And I'm going to grab this link, and I'm going back here, and I'm going to add this link here. And then I'm going to write a comment. So what you want to do before writing a comment, you want to skim the article. So in this case, it's not really too much to read here. What I want to do is actually to place a comment so I could get a backlink, right, and eventually some traffic. So because is already, this orientation class has already passed. Okay, I'm going to write here a very short question like this. Do you still organize these obedience, these obedience classes. I have a 2-year-old German Shepherd. Anyways, I'm gonna go post comment. So this comment, this question actually is related to the content. So whenever you write a blog comment, comment must be related to whatever the article is, right? So here is my my comment. It says my comment is awaiting moderation. Here is my name, and if I go click on my name, it's gonna take me straight to my site, straight to the free ebook. So this is how you actually write comments. Hopefully this comment is gonna pass. And now we go back to Google. Okay, and we're gonna do once again blog search. Okay. And I'm going to run my search again for dog training. And I'm going to look for another blog where I can leave my comment. So if I go to this one, for example, okay, this is a pretty blog as well. And I can just go here where the comments are. And leave a comment here too. Okay, so this is a post that talks about a radio show. And what you want to do, once again, when you write a comment, you want to read the article. I mean, you want to skim the article, right? So you might have an idea, and whatever your comment is going to be related to this article. We're going to quickly go through the article here, and we're just going to look, okay, for something that we can just type our comment. That's something that we for something that we can use in our comment. And I think I found something. It's right here, and I'm gonna go to the comment, and let's write the comment. And website, once again, I'm gonna take the link to my free ebook. And paste it. Okay. And then I'm going to write, I enjoyed this article. Thanks for the tip that, let's just see once again how it says here. When we see yellow on a dog, we should give space to that dog. Okay. So I'm gonna submit. So pretty much what I did, I just said something that is on the article. It looks like I read the article and is a relevant comment. So I'm gonna go submit this comment. And let's see how it looks like. So there are only 2 responses yet. So that means that our comment is gonna have to be approved before going live. So anyways, this is the way you're doing blog commenting. So once again, let's go back to Google. Okay, so we can use any other blog from here and do similar comments. This is how blog commenting works. Or if we want to run a different search, if it's difficult for us to find blogs like this to leave comments, some blogs might be having the comments closed, so we might not be able to write a comment. So if you want to do a different search, you can just go for, let's say, dog obedience in this case. And we can just look for, let's see here, another blog and leave a similar comment, right? Just look for a commenting place and leave a similar comment. So you're going to find blogs that actually invite you to sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook account. So it's really up to you if you want to use those Facebook and Google accounts to leave blogs. So basically, you're going to have different choices. What I suggest is you use those blogs where you can actually leave your website's address, and you can tie this website address to your name, because this is what you want. You want to bring traffic to your website. So in other words, if you do this blog commenting, let's say it's just going to take you a few minutes. So if you do this blog commenting, if you only do 5 blog comments every day, it's going to take you a few minutes. You can do this while doing actually something else. If you want to see results from this blog commenting, do it constantly. Even if you don't do it every day, you might want to do it, let's say, 5 days a week. It's just going to take you a few moments. If you only do 5 links or 5 blog comments every day, you're going to start seeing results pretty soon, because if you only count like 20 days a month, or 5 links, 100 comments, and possible 100 backlinks. So obviously not all the backlinks or not all the comments are going to be approved. Or sometimes, they might take time. The owner of the blog is going to take time. Maybe your comment is not going to be approved in the same day. It might take a week sometimes, or maybe 2 weeks until they are actually approved by the owner of the blog. But the idea is that if you keep doing it, in time you're gonna see results, and you're gonna see people coming back to your site and signing up to your list. You're gonna see people coming back to your site, you're gonna see traffic to your site, and you're gonna have people signing up to your email list.